Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do paper trading inside of GoCharting.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so head on over to GoCharting.com, sign into your account, and then from here, go to products and charts. And now choose which chart you'd like to use for paper trading. So I'm going to be using Bitcoin USD for this. Now, once we're inside here, we need to scroll down and look for account. Click into account. Now a little pop-up will appear like so. It will say my orders, my trades, my position balances, etc. Now from here to the right of that, it says GoCharting Sim browser. We want to click onto that and then more options will appear. Now from here, we want to make sure we have clicked GoCharting Sim, which is browser. So make sure that is selected. So now this is a simulator for paper trading. Now on the left hand side, we can see our transactions. So your current orders, your trades, your positions, your balance. I don't have any at the moment, but in order to do paper trading from here, we want to go ahead and click onto the trade at the bottom of the page. So click on the trade tab and our little trading pop-up should appear like so. Now from here, we can go ahead and make some paper trades. So we can sell, we can buy, we can use these options, limit order, limit price, quantity, etc. We can do market, we can set stop losses, so stop price and the quantity, and a stop limit as well. So now from here, I can place a trade here. I can go ahead and buy one Bybit if I like for this on my screen here. Then once you've done that, it's going to come down to your transactions. You can see your history here.